That is cool. The hot air balloon is right behind me. I don't know if you guys can see that. But the balloons are just about ready to go up. So I'm gonna carry on filming. As soon as we go up, check this out. It's amazing, amazing, amazing footage. It is incredible. I've never seen something like this in my life. Picture this, man. Fuck me, man. Incredible. Incredible scenes we have here right now. Picture that. Alright guys, right now we're on top.
Balloon, guys.
Hello. Everyone say hello. Okay.
Hello.
Hello from YouTube. Alright. I'm in the air right now and my legs are shaking. I don't really do heights, but this is an amazing view. It's gonna be exactly 1 hour. I've never seen this in my life. I mean, this is amazing. Picture this, guys. Look at that. Picture this, guys. This is amazing. You've never seen it in your life. Something special is happening right here.
Someone's enjoying himself. This is my best. Once again, bro, I missed that. Sorry. Really? Yeah. Double top. Yes. Wow.
I've never seen something like this in my life.
Everybody wants to go to the horses.
So,
I'll give you some information. This is my takeoff area. This side is the name of Scott's Valley.
wow.
And I keep my level with the mountain. After the mountain, we go high up. And you can see there, ladies and gentlemen, this is my flight camera. I record your balloon flight videos like this. This is 360 camera.
360 cameras.
That side. And after 20 minutes, I take a that side, your balloon flight videos like this.
Wow.
Now we start your balloon flight video. Say good morning, Cappadocia!
That is cool, man. Wow. So guys, I paid exactly 100 euros for this. For 1 hour in the air. This is amazing. There's just hundreds and hundreds of balloons up in the air. We haven't even gone that high. We need to go higher than this. So yeah, man, we need to go higher than this. We need to go upper in the air. So this is just a starting point. I'm gonna flip the camera and I'm gonna show you how high these balloons can go. Check that one up right there in the sky. I don't know if you guys can see it. But there's one up all the way up there. We're gonna go that high.
I'm making it
Take you to the sky. You're gonna hit the big time.
I'm not really gonna talk that much because I'm nervous. Literally, I'm so nervous. I'm just standing in the edge right now.
Everybody fine? Better than okay. Come on, man. Everybody okay inside?
Yes, everyone's okay. Yeah, that's right. Look at that, man.
Hey, somebody have any question? No? Okay, thank you.
Look at this view.
How many meters you want to start? You can.
Amazing, absolutely amazing.
From a business point of view, guys, as somebody who's always looking at ways of operating new ideas, this is one hell of a car to make.
This is a place in the middle of nowhere.
Oh, this is, how many meters high is this? 400? 400.
Yes, this is the ground level and sea level is 1,400.
Don't go higher. This is perfect, man.
Why? This is the name of the balloon.
I'll tell you what.
We have the limit. We
Yes,
have
sir.
the limit. Normally, like 5 years ago, we don't have any limit, but we go 2,000 meters, 3,000 meters. The ground level is no problem. But now in civil aviations, they will say for the limit. Today is my limit is 700 meters.
Oh my lord.
Yeah.
700 meters.
But I
700
fly.
meters
This is my 8 years.
Yeah.
The flying the balloon. It's been 1,000.
I paid £100
1,500 hours.
£100 per person.
1,500 hours of flying.
For anything.
I think it's for best flight like 500 meters. After the 500 meters, you see the Cappadocia. You like the Google map. Yeah. Yes. If you want to see the sky in the Cappadocia, you open the Google map. You see the answer. Now I keep my levels at 400 meters. And you see where we take off and where we're going. This is valley. It's name of the lava valley. We try to go down in the valleys, like the red balloons, and then to go up again for check landing.
So we're 400 meters up in the sky. We're gonna go higher?
No, now it's go down.
God bless you. Perfect. Blackman does not do heights. Wow, this is amazing. 400 meters.
Let's get the light on when the light comes.
Okay.
This is cool.
Come on, bro, give it a burn. Yeah, let it burn, let it burn, let it come. Go on, bro, give it a burn. Madam. Madam. Missed it. Missed it. 1 second, 1 second. When the light comes, it's a very good sign.
This is cool. Right, now I'm a bit calm. I was nervous before, but it feels like we're going down. And this is just amazing. Just picture this, guys, man. It's just amazing. There's a lot of people that come here for wedding shoots. People come here for anniversaries, proposals, birthday gifts as well. But this is just spectacular. I've never seen so many balloons up in the air in my life. And this is something that I would definitely recommend. And to do this, I mean, you pay only £100 sterling to do this for 1 hour. And apparently our driver said sometimes they can go over 700 feet high, but right now we're 400 feet high. I'm just going to spin the camera and just show you, just to capture the moment. I'm not really going to talk that much in the camera because very cool. Bow, 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 bow.
We're gonna have the best breakfast ever.
I need breakfast, man.
We should have given it a little bite.
We didn't want it to be thick.
A snacky snack.
No, we're going back down now. Are you sure?
Interesting thing that I found out is that the drivers, they radio the signal to give the sign to people to drive down so that they can know exactly where we're going to land. So the people drive exactly there straight away so that we land very, very safe. That's very, very good what they're doing. So I'm gonna flip the camera and show you exactly what I'm talking about. So as you can see, they're driving around to make sure people land safe. All the way down here. So he's radioing. These are all the cars, all the way there. Sick. In this video, I am not really going to talk that much because I just want you guys to capture the moment and enjoy. So I'm not really going to speak that much in this vlog. I'm just going to talk here and there, but I'm just going to show you guys and capture the moment. So as you can see, there's people landing, and I'm going to flip the camera and show you exactly what I'm talking about. So look at that, they're landing. Wow.
Big smile.
All the cars. We are landing right now. Landing down.
But landing will break my trailer.
That was perfect. Thank you very much, man. Gully. Whipper.
Biraz geri.
Look at those ones up in the air. Still up there. Amazing. Good experience.
Guys on point.
Alright guys. That was it. Sorry, bro.
We didn't have to pull nothing.
No. This is for emergency.
Right, so we just landed.
If I go hard landing or the emergency, we do it the practice. When I say if emergency time, why we make the practice? If I go to hard landing or the emergency procedure, I tell you landing position, you know what you do.
Yeah.
Alright, this is for this. There is so soft landing.
Yeah.
Your flight 1 hour 15 minutes.
Bro, you need to go on it. Good. That's another sick vlog for you.
Yeah, Sharm el Sheikh in Dubai.
Sick.
Tamam yeter Yılmaz.
Dubai is really expensive.
Really expensive and if you
It's
have a
fake,
flight,
bro. Dubai is fake. I don't like Dubai.
I fly in 6 months.
Right guys, that is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed my vlog.
Very fake. It's not
I did not speak that much because I wanted you guys to capture the moment. Gully in Turkish. Make sure you guys subscribe to my video.
Tunisia is nicer.
Bye guys, it's man that Blackman. Take care, hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Bye. That was a hot air balloon in Cappadocia. Take care.
Please always keep your mask.